Mama akwaba wo frame me adwoa searching ebusuafo mestro ena no first time I would ehwe me mestro no subscribe me notification bell no so for more news.
Master Abediem Canada Pong delegates in Penasema and non chese outside and Penasem. She me say Canada Pong or Timi appeal to the floating voters. Into MPP ni na utiwana ye ma Canada Pong kwa me say Canada Pong kase on kasampa ehu mamo o kase ehu an kase ehu me say MPP for na mo amuntinsim outside and delegates mo between Dr. Bawumia and Canada Pong mo amuntinsim na mo nyam research na mo hu de betu so no Canada Pong yo dumfu kumfu or a necessary evil. It's in Kamini Dr. Bawumia. Utieti nkofo debi. Kami menya nkasati debi. Uwa hwa no afre. Ken uwa ho. And then the mene Samira ne memenya ibebo titi. Yebedidi wo ho. You must show leadership. Go there. Che? John Dramani Mahama. Yebra kojobo unsu. Miami papa kwabnado fo. Professor Joshua Alabi. Omu nyina ne conteste ye. Omu tu abani wie ye na uwa hwa no esiawo. Enehe. Professor Joshua Alabi. Ona na ye campaign manager for John Mahama a odi wini ye yewra kojo bonsu se onene ambassador China yewra kwabnado fo ne ba a watete no politics mu ene yewra franka mu akohene. Look at it wa amfa bibia nso mti watimi di o ma ba se ye nyina ye NDC fo ene kene Japan nso a waka kakra na ema party no hwa ye akono no mu didi na tem mu twitwa bono ene NPP fo bia kan se mu no kire no.
In some presenter ni TV station or any radio station. Ediafa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Any honorable Kennedy Japan hono. Me Koose ya miti. Me ne nya adwene a single bit. Wo say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nchifun. On fan frey eye honorable Kennedy Japan. Edie na chere se. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on frey honorable Kennedy Japan. Je na chere se on frey no. Na honorable Kennedy Japan any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. When na se so frey ne nyanko. No throne support edemano. Mi bisa presenter na wo presenter wo say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ntam fun. No fan frey honorable Kennedy Japan. No on chene me bata no ho. Mi bisa o say honorable Kennedy Japan. Any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. When I say eche phone, e de friend nyanko. No o throne no support e de mano. Mi bisa. Because we no be and akọ contest for presidential. And nimpa akro no anwini over you. It's one wa lose no one say we be throw support. Honorable Canadian Japan na wa lose no. Ono na say we be throw no support. Edema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ana wonim. Se wonim mama me nkyere wo. 2028 menema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any President John Dramani Mahama contest for president no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hu say wa lose no. Ana oba abonte be congratulate President John Dramani Mahama. And not send it no true me support man of President John Dramani Mahama. And the same price to honorable Kennedy Japan. As a honorable Kennedy Japan babontin. No ba oba congratulate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No true me support. And the man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now one more bra be unity. Now one more church the MPP party na da hono. But one more two about ye no. And the doctor Wamu to abawie ye na wamu te wamu ho. Wamu to abawie no. Ena wamu te wamu ho. Na wate wo ho a. Onta tun send the phone and fanfre honorable Kennedy Japan. Me pese me bisa presenter we. Or the President John Dramani Mahama e de ye example. E wona President John Dramani Mahama e wamu contest ye no. President John Dramani Mahama e wini so obeye NDC flag bella no. Sanko candidate na aka no womo ti womo ho kwati womo party ana mibisa wo womo ti womo ho ekwati womo party se womo ante womo ho ankwati womo party womo congratulate President John Dramani Mahama ene womo true womo support ma President John Dramani Mahama ene womo de womo ahoɔden de turn achi Adentina Alan Cash, Adentina Honorable Kennedy Japan. I need the same thing. I'm from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Me bisa. And that's a way a presenter. That's a wo ba be kasa. And ya mo gini mienu because sometimes mo ba bontina mo be kasa bi wo ha. Edim totoye, edim papa mu, edi bre Honorable Kennedy Japan. Any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because the way ya wo kasa no as if say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo problem. The way you present a way kasa you as if said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no problem. And to problem in free Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Problem in free candidate for na woman Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko stand there no. Those candidates na say one mo ba bonti na wo mo betro wo mo support. E man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no accept wo mo e wo party nim because sisi no no the father. Wo no papa nya asem a wo papa no me na me power chawo. Sisi MPP party na da ho no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne father wo. Onene father. Onena party ni sini na so. It doesn't make sense. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be chi ni phone. E dey from Honorable Kennedy Japan. So o metro ni support man no. And your Honorable Kennedy Japan and the SSO of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no congratulate no. No throw ni support. E man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no be throw ni support. Be wise. Fane kuratu baby ane kureda. Fane kurene fatu baby ane kureda. What say honor I Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in show day. On show leadership. On show leadership. Now when I catch Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in leadership. On show leadership. Jama one kasa presenter na wakasa radio station no. Wo nye serious o. Sanka wo ye serious o mba bonte me kasa asebwe. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na on fa ni phone on fa frɛ Honorable Kennedy Japan. Asembe na oka no. Minimum Honorable minimum Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne President Jantua ni Mahama contest ye na. President Mahama edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no. President Mahama na oba bonte be kan obetro ni support ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na otro ni support no e de ma President Jantua ni Mahama. Wonya Ghana ni e she video we. Fama Ghana ni bia na Ghana ni bia hu ne kore. Asemba na wo ka no. Honorable Kennedy Japan wa form manenti asese wa form because we benefit to MPP party either you like it or not into either he like it or not it's all through the support in the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What are you saying? What are you talking about? Now when you say we are saying ebinim na control we are say ebinim na control we are say o want me and submit ho ama we are say be ye din so be survive into MPP party na da ho no ye won kofo bu MPP party ni mu ene NDC party ni mu a wo no mu control party no into want me and submit ho ama san kofo na you can never be a president and a flag bella Emma NDC and say MPP la you cannot submit yourself catch the Honorable Kennedy Japan say on submitting itself either he like it or not he for come down
I think Afenyo Marking was raising some concerns about Sami's deal at Gold Board, especially with the lawsuits, both in Parliament and other places. Sami funny personal.
Yeah.
About one team, Becky can Simbia. As a new radio name, and media, and as a any eventually had a pompoche, motumu. Say, oh, bra penny, Afenyo Marking. Afenyo is about our age mate. 50, the 40 something.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, Sami, 40 no crown.
No.
30 something.
Yeah.
Afenyo born bra na say ya wo say then there by ya hu ye appointment authority be by ya
Yeah.
the kakra ba wo obi aba na num say wonam wo no nye fucking boys a what I say wa born bra investment or down no abra nya buy na tam ne man no onu sika kra ba de nsem ne man ba ban mu nya sa ban mu no be ba no be nya sika wo sa me je vinya ban man ko bra be na wo no Ghana ha wo ba be ya wo say as a wo ya de pa bi na obi ye wo ho aho ya no. Oh, ton woman in gold. First of all, you should not say in gold na. Forest na to in gold na. Ama kofi bua did there in no or yenokwa or one fighting galamsey because galamsey no so muguna gold bond must die. You get my point? Ama the entire country for about 20 years back to back. Every day we are degrading our land. Oh, another no. What me tam sa sikaibi now they are calling na some mention some social responsibility projects bia mimi krom na ye di gold over 30 years na nkasa kra no edi mem on nam ama kofi bu akrom ho no pass osa kosisi o yes minim say western say ba shantin say pa Obia a bank catch be no ben gold no sika na o ka say said asante say ase ntino you be trust ka say me dey akwasante okoton gold really na cigarette cry on to moka cigarette cry on mako bonsam jim enra na me go bi din ko o na ye capital so wasem na me say me tese obi apete so advert da ba de bi esa what is obi ye wi advert da na me say dey was what is say obi si ni wi abodo so ama unyo obi obeto da na me say na me kwatene wa hin was bra so fom and so even free and so de bi esa look why wono cotton gold of all commodities
It baffles me.
sadeka ebefi saka no besinde something fin to mean church mu o chema ni sifo nkwa na ti ase because me ti brofo na waka nyina ase but it doesn't make sense to me one bit but also to me kasa denti no obewie na obo nsem but ubuza ze ni waka na ya onipa na obo nsem wontu nche don't is it true that we actually traded and made losses? That question must be first answered. Every attempt on person to answer be out to say yes but just say yes and they don't vocalize it because of person say e boka kra na enye kase you lose money na as a robbing administrative cost robbing Peter to people as the administrative cost to be. How do you explain to me say my cotton gold and many losses of this much $200 million at first and the chairman say $1.7 million which is
Billion.
about $1.7
billion. Yeah.
Yakwa IMF what is it?
Yeah,
3 billion.
Yeah,
almost a chairman 6 months 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, the krata kwaji. 6 months later na dia kwaji. 1. That's 2 billion kwa so. What you say? Afa to in just less than because gold board
no this is
this
1
is this
year. Yeah.
Yes.
2025 auditors of fairness
report.
Yeah.
2026
we don't even have that one.
Yen train na bonu nyina egu we are no abechirim say o ka say the borofo nkwa na cheche nsem wana e ka borofo nkwa nka KKD se nko ngodem. You get my point? Eti sa na hu dwe ne ta chip bi o da to no shoulder so abonni na wo na wo 30 something years afekwa na 35 across wo the 8 years free ni age mu. That means that 2017,
yeah,
18, no, on the 20s. Oh, dear Kufado attempts on a woman. That's one in the Koose. On Sam George. On no Kujetu. On my leg Basinteli. So today, if you are occupying an official position that belongs to the state, you are a CEO for the state. Afenyo works in parliament. He is minority leader of the state. He's not minority leader of MPP. He's minority leader of the Parliament of Ghana. If you don't respect anybody at all, respect the Parliament House. One more raising questions on what happened to be raising because Kufa go boarding custom say good not them. But me go boarding custom good not them. One party for 200 something super majority in there. They can't even raise the question about what you're doing. Most of them don't even understand. Raising question climate say. But look, here we are. Abena kan one finance on kono kojo pon kromaka onum de worker afenyo kan sami de people so say adwuma no enye na de man no president Mahama na de man no president Mahama so ni problem there any kan kan no ntum. That is a very nonsensical approach to handling an office as important as the Gold Board office.